Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about files in Python. So normally file is a place on the disk in which group of related data is stored permanently for future purpose. So normally file contains collection of information. Okay, so we store that collection of information permanently for future purpose. Basically there are two types of files. One is text file and another one is binary file. Text file is used to store text data. Okay, so it will store only collection of characters, only text. It can only process characters, that is it can read, write the characters data. Okay, you can read or write only character data. Characters are nothing but alphabets, digits and special symbols. These are the characters. Okay, next one is binary file. The binary file is nothing but it is used to store binary data like images, videos, audio files, documents, etc. Normally, the text file contains the extension that is .txt. Text file contains extension .txt. Binary file contains .jpg, .jpeg, okay, and .mp3 and .mp4 like this. Okay, next. So if you want to perform any operation such as writing or reading, first we need to open one file. Okay, so here the Python provides one function that is known as open function. Okay, so if you want to store the data in a file, then we must do certain things. The first thing is we need to open the file. The file contains, the open function contains two parts. Okay, the open function contains two parts. One is file name and another one is purpose. Okay, so one is file name and another one is purpose. The file name is a group of characters which consists of a name of file. Okay, dot operator. So dot operator is used for file extension. For example, dot txt file, dot jpeg file. Okay, next dot document. Okay, dot mp3 file, dot mp4 file like this. Okay, so file name is used to represent the name of the file and it contains extension. So see this sum.c. So this is one C file because C language contains .c extension. Next a.txt. A is the file name, txt is a extension. So this is one text file like this. Okay, so file name is used to represent the name of the file. And the next one is purpose. So what is the purpose of opening one file, whether it is reading purpose or writing purpose? Okay, so the main purpose of file to perform different operations on file. For that, first we have to open file in different modes like read, write, append, etc. So these are the purpose, whether you are opening a file for reading purpose or writing purpose or appending purpose. Okay, so you need to mention the purpose. Okay, next. So this is the syntax to open one file. So here Python provides open function to open one file. Open, it consists of two parts. One is file name and mode. File name is used to represent name of the file and mode is used to represent the purpose. So we are opening one file and storing into a variable that is f. Okay, f is a variable which consists some file. Okay, file name indicates the name of the file with valid extension. File mode represents the purpose of the file. Okay, so let's see the example here. F is equals to, or you can use f dot. Okay, so f dot open abc.txt. Okay, so f is equals to open abc.txt. So here abc.txt is a text file and I am opening this file for writing purpose. So if the abc.txt is an existing file, already existing file, that will be opened. If abc.txt file is not available, okay, if abc.txt file is not existed, then new abc.txt file will be created. Okay, in the above we are opening abc.txt for writing the data into the file. Okay, so that file is open, the file name is abc.txt. Okay, so different modes. So what are the purposes? So here first one is R. R means open an existing file, already existing file, for reading purpose. Next, W. W means write. Open an existing file writing operation, for write operation. If existing file is not already available, then this mode creates a new file. Okay, if existing file is not available, then it will create new file. If existing file is already available, then if file already contains some data, then it will be overwrites the existing file. So for example, I am opening abc.txt with writing purpose. So here this file contains, for suppose 1 2 3 4. So if you open this file for writing purpose, if you write one data, suppose I am writing hello to this file, so this data overrides this data, so this data will be deleted and it will store only hello. Okay, so write is used to overrides the existing data. Okay, so if you don't want to overwrite existing data, so if you want to add, suppose the abc data, the abc file contains 1 2 3 4 data. Okay, so if you want to add some other data to the file, okay, so in this situation, you need to use append. Open an existing file for append operation. If an existing file is not already available, then this mode create a new file and it does not overwrite existing data. So it will add the data to the existing data, but write is used to overwrite the existing data. That is the difference. Okay. Next, R plus. R plus means you can read as well as you can write data into a file. Next, W plus. W plus means writing and reading data. And writing means overwrites an existing data. Next, here A plus is used for both appending and reading data from the file, and it does not overwrites existing data. Okay, so these are the different modes, different purposes you can use. If you want to read, you can give mode as R. If you want to read as well as write, you can give R plus. Okay, if you want to append and read, you can give A plus. Okay, next, so here we open one file for writing purpose. Okay, so after that, if you want to close one file, you need to use f dot close. Okay, a file completing all operations on file, then it is necessary to close that file by using close function. Open function is used to open a file and it contains two parts, file name and mode, but for close function is used to close one file. Okay, so the f variable contains abc.txt, so that's why f dot close. Okay, so I hope it is clear. In the next video, I will explain about how to write the data into the file and how to read data from the file. Okay, so about file operations. Okay, so I hope it is clear all how to open a file and how to close a file. So what are the modes? Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.